Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Takeover. Today in this video I just want to introduce one of the best tools that's going to change your voice when you just want to record a voice on WhatsApp, Instagram or online games. So you can use the magic mic to change your voice. It's very easy and let me show you how we can do it. You can see we have a lot of characters with its voice and you can set it as a voice. So when I check the female category, I got a lot of female voices, games too. Maybe you know these characters from the game. Even we have the anime characters voice too. I can choose any of them and I can change my voice to that character's voice. When I just want to choose the character's voice, it's just going to ask me to set some setups. You can say I have to choose my microphone from here in the setting, so you can check for other setups too. By the way, when I back here on voice box, I got the characters, but before this, if you just want to test your voice record, you can choose any of the character and you can record voice, or you can just upload from your PC. By the way, I'm going to choose this female voice and I'm going to use it on my WhatsApp. So once I choose that, let me open my WhatsApp in my PC browser and I'm going to send a voice from here. So let's do it. That's all. Let's go ahead to listen it.
Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Takeover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to fix this problem.
It's great. Even we have Cristiano Ronaldo voice. Let's try it. Once I choose the voice, I get back here on WhatsApp and let me record a small voice by this character. Once it's done, I'm just gonna play it to listen.
Hello my friends, welcome back to an episode of Takeover. Today in this video I just want to know how to fix this problem.
Wow, this was good. So this is all about how you can change your voice in your PC. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends. If you just need the link, you can find out it here on my video description below.